Here you are. Let's make Kung Pao Chicken. Kung Pao Chicken is one of those dishes that's got everything. Spicy, savory, sweet, tangy, and that awesome crunch from the peanuts. But the traditional version can be a little too spicy and greasy for me. So since I'm all about eating healthy without giving up flavor, I've simplified the recipe and found the perfect balance of sauce and spice. Now my whole family loves this version way more. Sometimes less really is more. Let's get into it. Kung Pao chicken cooks super fast, so it's best to have everything prepped before you heat the wok. The last thing you want is to be digging through the fridge while your chicken's turning into charcoal. Now we got everything ready, let's do it. Would you make this? This right here, totally worth it. If you give it a try, drop a comment. I want to know how it turned out for you. And thanks for watching. See you next time.